Hello everyone, as we discussed that I am share with you the question bank series for the Chandigarh TGT post, and that part I will discuss with you is the chemistry part. So I don't want to waste your time. Let's discuss with the questions and the topic. First of all, you know what is the topic that we discussed today. The name of the topic is the structure of atom and the atomic structure as mentioned in the syllabus given by the Chandigarh administrative TGT post. Let's discuss first question. Be2 positive is isoelectronic species with which of the following ions? Isoelectronic हम check करते हैं with the number of electrons. As we are able to see in Be2 plus there are only 2 electrons. So we can calculate the number of electrons in all the options that we have. As in option 1 H positive, the number of electrons will be 0. So it is not resemblance with the Be2 positive. So A option is not the correct answer. Now comes to the B option, that is lithium positive. 3 minus 1 is 2. That means lithium plus also have 2 electrons, which is same as the Be2 positive. So our correct answer will be lithium 2 positive. Now comes to the second option. Second question is number of orbitals present in the principal quantum number n4. For principal quantum number or for calculation of total number of orbitals, we know the formula that total number of orbital present is n square, that is n square. Here the value of n is 4, so 4 square is 16. So option D will be the correct answer. So option D will be the correct answer. Next is question number 3. Which pair is isoelectronic species? As we discussed in the first question, isoelectronic species are those species which have same number of electrons. So you can clearly see from the options that option B is the correct answer. As in potassium positive there are 18 electrons, in chlorine negative 17 plus 1 there are 18 electrons, or in Ca2 positive 20 minus 2 that is 18 electron. So option B is the correct answer. Now comes to the fourth question. The emission spectrum of hydrogen discovered first and the region to which it belongs. तो आपको पता होना चाहिए in 1885 Balmer for the first time showed that wave number present in the visible region. So as you will discuss or you were learned in the class 11th second chapter, that is structure of atom. So the correct option will be option number D, that is Balmer and visible. Fifth question is what is the correct order of the increasing energy of the listed orbitals in the atom of titanium? For this you have to know the configuration of titanium. So configuration of titanium will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d2, right? So you can see from the configuration that 3d will be the maximum, next is 4s, then is 3p, and then is 3s. So according to the Aufbau principle of increasing order of filling the electrons, so the correct option will be option A, that is 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d. Okay, hope you clear these 5 questions. Now question number 6. If the first ionization in energy of hydrogen atom is 13.6 electron volt, then second ionization of helium atom. तो आपको सब for this you have to know the formula of the ionization energy. So we know that ionization energy is equals to the 13.6 into Z square upon N square, right? For helium Z is 2, and for first ionization, second ionization energy of helium we take N is 1 and Z is 2 by putting the formula 13.6 into 2 square upon 1 square, you will get 54.4. So option C will be the correct option. Now comes to the seventh question. The radius of second Bohr orbit of hydrogen atom is. Again, you know the formula of radius. Radius is equals to 0.52, or you can say 0.53 n square by z, right? Just substitute the value of n is equals to 2 and z is equals to 1. So you will get 2.116 Armstrong. As in options there is nanometer, so answer will be 0.2116 nanometer. That is option C is the correct answer. Now question number 8. Calculate the energy in the joule corresponding to the light of wavelength 45 nanometer. That means you have to calculate energy and you have wavelength. So we know that the formula of energy in terms of wavelength, E is equals to hc by lambda. By putting all the values, you will get the 4.42 into 10 raised to power minus 18 joule. That means C part is the correct answer. Now comes to the ninth question. The uncertainty in the velocity of particle is given, and what is the uncertainty in position? Again, it comes from the topic Heisenberg uncertainty principle, and you know delta x is equals to h upon 4 pi m delta v, right? Just substitute all the values, you will get answer, that is option D, 1 upon 4 pi. Last question of today's class, that is question number 10. The de Broglie wavelength associated with the mass of 1 kg having energy is this. That means आपसे question में wavelength पूछा and you have kinetic energy. So you know the formula of kinetic energy with the wavelength. Lambda is equals to h upon under root 2me. Just substitute the value of h, m and e. You will get the answer, that is option A, 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34. Hope you like this video. And in the last, I just want to say you, please join my channel. That means please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and do like and comment. Thank you so much.